this video we move to 2.6, talking about sets. Because sets is not so big, we will also talk about 2.7 non-type altogether. So that will be the last part for this data type. One thing I want to mention is besides the GitHub repository for the friends in China mainland is you can also go to this mirror, the GT, the repository to get those sample code as well. So they are synchronized each other from GitHub to Git. So you can get that download. And first, let's create 2-6 py. So now we are moving to the set. Just to compare is dictionary restore this key value pair data, and another is the container is restore the key only but not value. So this type of the data set is the code set. The set is also similar. The meaning we used in the set theory within the mathematics. So that is the reason is where within set we will have our different kind of the processing, talking about the intersection with this the signal, difference, union, complement. For this first three, actually, if you watch my another video series, use OpenSCAD to draw some 3D modeling, you may familiar with this because we use such kind of the command or method to try to manipulate different shape in 3D or 2D. So that's the same inherit from the set theory. But first, let's go to new create set. Because we already have the curly braces used for the dictionary, so we cannot use that, but we will use these set keywords to create. So we cannot just use our blank the parentheses. So that's the difference. So my first set is a set, and then we can print type my set and my set. So same as the earlier thing, so we will try to see the type. So type is a set, not the dict. So that's the difference, and it's an empty one. And also you can give our the definition of the value together, but remember these are the key compared to the dictionary. So you can use a variable key. Yeah. If you use these curly braces, you must give our value inside because empty curly braces is already occupied by diction. So then we will use this to show, save, and run. You can see here we got true 12, 12. So to them is there will be no the duplication because these both are integer and they will just put that into this. And what are the sequences depending on they have all the self. You may consider that can be the from the ask or some other internal the order, but there's no need to be too much discuss about that. So if you just duplicate, put many key because they are key, so they will not show you in the set result. Root list equal to, well, we can also use these brackets to do that. Peach, watermelon, banana, want to, maybe it's just save is just another watermelon, and we put this that is a list first, and we put our temp set. This temp set, you use set keywords, and we use this fruit list to create our temp set. And then we can print first the type temp set. So let's first to see what's the type. Is type already set? And you can see here we input a list with these brackets, but they read into the sets, and the set is uses curly braces to represent set, and they just have this non-duplicated the results to represent the key. So now we got a set, and we put this fruit list equal to list temp. Then we will print type. Let's see type fruit list. So we also put this print right after our list. So we will have 3 outputs compared. So first is the list. So we have peach, 2 watermelon, and the second is a set. We first they convert to set, and then we convert back to list. So what's the difference? Now, using this way, we are able to remove the duplication, even if the sequence or the order of the element is not like your original list, but the duplication are removed. So this is just a tricky tip. If you want to remove duplication in your list, you can use this 3-step: convert to set, then convert back. So that is our very smart and not our the ineffective way. So you can use that. So operating sets. So we will have those intersection, difference, union, and the supplement. So we will try to see if you have the multiple size, what you are going to do this. So if we have 1 to 5 is my set 1, set 2 is 2, 3, 4. So when we say intersection, so my set 3 is equal to my set 1. So use this the symbol. So my set 2. So let's print my type, my set 3. Let's do this. Oh, I need to save. So you can see here, the intersection is just to get this common the elements. So 2 in both, 3 in both, 4 in both. So the set 3 is just a 2, 3, 4. So that is the intersection and the difference. So my set is just use this like our divided. So print my set 1 difference to my set 2. So that means it's from my set 1 to delete any the element in my set 2. So that is what we have put. So union. So print. It's just like this symbol. This one. You can see here they are union, and then the set 1, set 2. So now is the get union is because when we did union, all those are duplicate. So let's see. So we make those comment. My set 1. Save that. It's 1 and 5. So for the union. Oh yeah, so sorry, that is a supplement. So union is this symbol. It's get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because 2, 3, 4 is duplicated. So that is only show one time. So let's comment that. So what we just did is the supplement with this symbol. You got this 1, 5. And also we can compare the two sets. So we compare. So we print whether my set 1 is big than my set 2 is true. So we can have the 4 or 5 difference. We can have the greater than or equal, or the smaller than or equal. Oh, it should put in like this, and then smaller, and also the equal. So let's see, the equal should be double. Equal sign. So we go the true, true, false, false, false. So that is the comparison. So for this, so you can try to remember all those type of the these transactions.